DJI's new FPV drone offers enhanced imaging, improved safety, and extended flight capabilities, aiming to simplify complex aerial maneuvers for users. DJI, the world leader in the civilian drone market, has officially launched the DJI Avata 2, promising an upgraded, user-friendly flying experience with significant enhancements in safety and imaging technology. This new model is tailored to enrich the FPV, first-person view, flying experience, making it more immersive and accessible for all users. Ferdinand Wolf, DJI's creative director, emphasized the improved ease of use and performance, stating, "Just under 2 years ago, we helped people embrace and explore the almost out-of-body experience of FPV flight. DJI Avata 2 builds on this by offering everyone the chance to fly like a pro with easy flips, rolls, and drifts. We're looking forward to giving users one of the best FPV experiences available with next to no effort needed on their part." DJI new FPV drone Avata 2. Highlight features of the DJI Avata 2 include enhanced FPV capabilities, designed for a safer and fully immersive flying experience. Advanced imaging technology, equipped with a larger 1.3-inch CMOS sensor and a super wide-angle 12MP camera, supporting 4K/60 FPS and 2.7K/120 FPS slow-motion videos. The camera also offers 10-bit D-Log-M color mode for enhanced post-production. Stabilization technologies, incorporates DJI Rocksteady and Horizon Steady to ensure smooth footage even under dynamic conditions. It also supports gyroflow for additional stabilization in post-production. Updated safety measures, features a lighter integrated propeller guard and enhanced automatic functions such as return to home, RTH, for safer operation. Extended flight time and quick charging. Provides up to 23 minutes of flight time with PD fast charging capabilities and a new two-way charging hub. Superior video transmission. Uses a new O4 video transmission system offering up to 13 kilometers of range with low latency and high-definition quality. Accessories and compatibility. DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3. The Goggles 3 are equipped with adjustable diopters and dual micro OLED screens featuring real view PIP technology. The RC Motion 3 facilitates intricate aerial maneuvers with minimal pilot input. Broad compatibility. The new drone is compatible with other DJI controllers and the DJI Fly app, allowing for various operational styles and sharing options. Comprehensive accessory options. Available accessories include ND filters and multiple combo packs to enhance the flying experience. Availability and pricing. The DJI Avata 2 is available for purchase starting today in various configurations from DJI's website and authorized retail partners. The introduction of the DJI Avata 2 represents DJI's commitment to advancing drone civilian technology and the company's focus on creative content creation.